So here we are wrapping up another historic trading month. Right, guys and gals? Listen, I know that a majority of retail traders out there, okay, people that don't take trading seriously enough, I know those people checked out weeks ago, right? But not me, and certainly none of my people. Because I warned you, I told you 1,000 times, the month of December is super volatile. I mean, it always has been, right? I mean, case in point, this is today's price action chart of the S&P 500 from today, just a couple of days before Christmas, right? Look at this explosion of volatility as the volume indicator turns red, nailing a 500-point plunge all the way down. And then this volume indicator turns green, nailing a 180-tick rally. Okay, so how are you going to tell me that the holiday season is slow, right? Only a sucker would say that. Someone who has absolutely no idea of how markets work. Look, guys, here's what I'm going to tell you here as you feast on your Christmas ham this weekend. Number one, a volume-based indicator will never lie to you, right? It always tries to do its best to predict the starting point of a potential trend change, okay? Number two, it always tries to help you and assist you on locating areas in the market to put your stop loss, right? A protective stop loss is there for your protection so that you take the small loss if you get stopped out as opposed to the big loss. And number three, guys and gals, by far the most important, valuable, mission-critical reason with respect to why a volume indicator is so valuable, well, that's easy. It always tells you the truth, right? You look at this chart from today, there's no subjectivity. It's purely objective, right? So a lot of you guys have a decision to make. Do you want to live the rest of your lives trading with these garbage indicator Bollinger Band charts, or do you want to get real, okay, with these professional charts? A lot of you guys should definitely ponder this as you're feasting on your Christmas ham this weekend, all right? For now, I want to say congrats to all of you guys and gals out there who were actively trading today. I warned you. The week of Christmas was going to be awesome. I'm glad a lot of you guys stuck around this week and crushed it in the market. To everybody else, if you're on the sidelines, you're debating getting involved, then all I can say is time is running out. You've already missed one of the best trading environments in American history. This year was one for the trading record books. I want to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a very happy holiday season. I personally cannot wait to take this volume indicator and push it pedal to the metal next year. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.